Top 5 Best Ski Bag. Number 5. Zipline Ski Double Ski Bag with Wheels. The Zipline Ski Double Ski Bag with Wheels is a versatile and user-friendly option for skiers who need to transport 2 pairs of skis with ease. The bag features a durable and weather-resistant exterior, providing reliable protection for your valuable equipment. The inclusion of heavy-duty wheels and reinforced handles ensures smooth and hassle-free transportation in various settings. With its spacious design, this ski bag can accommodate skis of different lengths, making it suitable for various users. The padded interior protects your skis from scratches and impacts during transit, and the adjustable compression straps keep everything securely in place. The exterior pockets offer convenient storage for accessories, enhancing the overall functionality of the bag. Whether you're traveling to your local mountain or venturing to international ski destinations, the Zipline Ski Double Ski Bag with Wheels combines durability, convenience, and ample storage space to meet the needs of avid skiers. Trust in this bag to keep your gear safe and secure throughout your skiing adventures. Coming in number 4. Element Equipment Wheeled Padded Ski Bag. The Element Equipment Wheeled Padded Ski Bag is a versatile and durable option for skiers seeking a reliable means of transporting their gear. This bag is designed to accommodate 1 pair of skis and poles, providing ample padding to protect against scratches, dings, and other potential damage during transit. Equipped with sturdy wheels and reinforced handles, the Element Equipment Wheeled Padded Ski Bag ensures easy maneuverability through various travel environments. The heavy-duty construction of the bag, including robust zippers and durable fabric, adds an extra layer of durability to withstand the demands of travel. One standout feature of this ski bag is its lightweight design, making it easy to carry when necessary. The adjustable length accommodates different ski sizes, and the internal compression straps keep the equipment securely in place. Whether you're heading to the local slopes or embarking on a ski vacation, the Element Equipment Wheeled Padded Ski Bag provides reliable protection for your gear. Coming in number 3. Thule RoundTrip Ski Bag. Thule, a trusted name in outdoor and adventure gear, brings its expertise to the world of ski bags with the RoundTrip Ski Bag. This bag is designed to provide maximum protection for your skis, ensuring they arrive at your destination in perfect condition. The padded walls and reinforced ends guard against impacts and rough handling during transportation. One notable feature of the Thule RoundTrip Ski Bag is its unique adjustable length design. This allows the bag to accommodate various ski sizes, providing a customized fit for your specific equipment. The internal compression straps keep your skis secure and prevent any unnecessary movement inside the bag. The durable wheels and reinforced handles make it easy to transport your gear, even in challenging environments. Thule has also incorporated thoughtful details, such as an external gear pocket for additional storage and organization. The quality craftsmanship and attention to detail make the RoundTrip Ski Bag a reliable choice for skiers who prioritize the safety of their equipment during travel. Coming in number 2. Dakine Fall Line Ski Roller Bag. Dakine is a renowned brand in the outdoor and sports gear industry, and the Fall Line Ski Roller Bag lives up to the brand's reputation for quality and functionality. This bag is designed with the avid skier in mind, offering ample space to accommodate a pair of skis, poles, and additional gear. The fully padded interior provides superior protection against impacts and scratches during travel. The durable urethane wheels and the retractable handle make maneuvering through crowded airports or ski resorts a breeze. The exterior is constructed with high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring your equipment stays safe and secure. The Fall Line Ski Roller Bag also features lockable zippers, adding an extra layer of security for your valuable gear. Dakine has incorporated thoughtful details into the design, such as exterior compression straps to stabilize the load and prevent shifting during transit. With its combination of durability, functionality, and style, the Dakine Fall Line Ski Roller Bag is a top choice for skiers who prioritize quality in their gear. Coming in number 1. Athletico Rolling Double Ski Bag. The Athletico Rolling Double Ski Bag is a top-notch choice for skiers who demand durability and convenience in a ski bag. Designed to accommodate 2 pairs of skis, this bag is ideal for those who often travel with a friend or family member. The heavy-duty polyester construction ensures that your skis stay protected from the elements and rough handling during transit. One of the standout features of this ski bag is its smooth rolling wheels, making it effortless to navigate through airports, train stations, or any other travel hubs. The reinforced handles provide a comfortable grip, and the padded interior adds an extra layer of protection for your skis. The compression straps help secure your skis in place, preventing any unnecessary movement during transportation. Additionally, the Athletico Rolling Double Ski Bag features multiple exterior pockets for storing accessories such as gloves, goggles, or tuning tools. This thoughtful design ensures that you can keep all your ski-related essentials organized and easily accessible. Whether you're heading to the local slopes or embarking on an international ski adventure, the Athletico Rolling Double Ski Bag is a reliable companion.